My style tends to lean between a 304 and a librarian who wants to be a 304, and I just do my best, okay? Hey y'all, it's Megan, your favorite indie author homegirl, and I want to do a little short video just of me packing for the book conference, Steamy LitCon. This year, I'm doing a lot of traveling for book conferences. This was the only one that was more reader focused for me. The rest of them are author focused, so I'll have to present and kind of network a bit more at those conferences. That is one of the main things I really do love about my job is I get to travel. Now, Steamy LitCon was all me. It wasn't something that was sponsored by my job, so I could have a bit more flexibility with what I wear, although we really don't have a dress code per se. If one exists, I don't know about it. My style tends to lean between a 304 and a librarian who wants to be a 304, and I just do my best, okay? Based on how things went with this particular trip, I'm going to make some adjustments for my future trips just so that I'm not packing so much stuff. I'm a chronic overpacker. I do try to pare down what I'm bringing along with me, but that's not always easy because I like to have my things and I like to have options, more than one option. And I think for Steamy Lit, I packed enough clothes to be able to change twice for each day. Now, the conference itself is only 2 days, but I was there longer than that. Let me see, two. I think I arrived on that Thursday, and then I left that Monday. I wanted to make sure I had enough options, and options I had, along with my jewelry options and my skincare options. It's a lot of stuff. For future trips, I'm going to work on paring that down. I think it'll be a lot easier because I'm going with a specific color scheme for my other conferences, and I can't wait to show you all that stuff because that's going to be fun. Charlie, don't eat that. Charlie. I don't know if he's eating something off the ground, if he's eating grass. Just it's probably rabbit poop. Jesus. No, don't you go over there. Child. These are city inside dogs, and we are now out in the country. And that's the other thing I want to mention. In the video, I'm in my apartment, which I have since moved from. When I'm packing for a trip, I like to first look at the itinerary, see what's going on, and pack accordingly. I do have specific outfits for like the airport and stuff, so you may see those repeat in these videos. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. And I think going along with a color scheme for future trips will make things a whole lot easier for me to plan for. That way I can really pare down my shoes, I can pare down my makeup options and my jewelry options. If you manage to stick with me this long, leave the word airport in the comments just to let me know that you stuck around with the kid, okay? I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Figure out what was actually done and what wasn't. Or done that we wanted to object to for. So that's what I thought I understood. And so, that is with what was decided, and we would want to. Very difficult task. I was one of the. We already have, and get that out to y'all. And again, y'all, it's just, and we would hope that a whole lot of this. I mean, y'all can't really. Let's assume that he testifies. Let's assume for everybody there might be impeachment or other evidentially hypothetical right now, but that's what motions of limine are. That would be ideal. Okay, so agenda for today. Yeah. I didn't bring the transcripts with all recollection. Has at least two of them that you said you're only interested in witnesses that you're going to be getting to soon. Of all three statements, and if not, could you pin dispatch of 30 witnesses so we can identify and anticipate needing to use as opposed to using statements or when that of indictments. Absolutely nothing which has been for co-conspirator. Any of the statements to provide was fine. Okay. Of last after a year ago. They gave us 3. So on that prejudicial such as with what here he sort of some people are charged with one murder. Whether you ultimately do that or not, I mean, I don't know. I'll hear from both sides. But yeah, it's what we've been arguing about the jail. I'll need to try to remember to speak into the mics. So maybe, and so I had to why would you make preparation for this on the case. I'm still gonna y'all would like some time to be able to go represent your other clients in court as well.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
So, why don't we take that up kind of as we need to? And if we are not in court, I hope that we will get into a rhythm if this case proceeds to continuation of trial, where we can have enough done that we can say go Monday through Thursday hard and take Fridays off, or take Friday mornings for motions and Friday afternoons off or something, but like a schedule so that y'all know if you are not prepping for the main witness in the case the next morning, that you can go to court and do some of your other representation.
That would be wonderful, Your Honor.
Yeah.
At least speaking for
myself.
I
mean, let's raise it with me when you need to, but I can't give you a blanket answer.
Okay, thank you.
All right. 10 minutes, 1 minute, okay.
Your Honor, we're going to,
It's a 6,000 page PDF where you can open up audio links.
So that is one set of co-conspirator statements. You mentioned another wiretap of someone else.
Correct.
Have an additional statement from this Oakland jail hall, okay, as a part of the 5 jail halls, about a portion of the 5 jail halls. Did this way. So yes, thank you. All right, in recess.
As usual, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell thingy so that you can know when I upload. The next video will be my travel day, and then the video after that will be the actual conference, all the things I did afterwards in Anaheim. I had a wonderful time, let me just say, and I can't wait to do it next year. All right, bye.